Okay.
Hey, I'm Kaylee,
And I'm Andrea.
and we are on a quest to be famous
Famous.
via internet because everyone else is doing it, and we think we are worthy of it.
We do. And we live in California, so.
Yeah, that has to do with it. I don't know. Anyways, so what else do we have to say?
Okay. So, we're gonna give you all of our accounts right now, and
You're gonna find us.
Yes.
You're gonna add us. You're gonna follow us.
you're gonna support us.
You're gonna support.
and
You're gonna support, follow, love,
and adore.
adore, stalk us. You can't do that any longer.
Very serious about this. Completely. So, it's Andrea,
And Kaylee.
and
That's
then
our names mixed together if you were curious.
Yeah, Andrea in the middle, Kaylee on the outside.
I like her in me.